If you're seeing the error message token generation failed, don't worry. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the fastest ways to fix it. This issue is usually caused by a stale browser session, a network interruption, a VPN or proxy conflict, or even an API credential problem. The good news is that in many cases, you can solve it in just a few minutes without needing any advanced technical skills. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick software fixes and step-by-step guides. Now, let's get into it. First, the simplest fix is to refresh the session and clear your browser cache. A lot of the time, the token fails because your browser is holding on to old or broken session data. Start by clicking the refresh button in your browser and try the action again. If that doesn't work, open your browser settings and go to Privacy and Security, then choose Clear Browsing Data. Make sure you select cookies and other site data, since those are often the files causing the problem. After that, click Clear Data and let the browser finish removing the old session information. Once that's done, reload the page and check whether the token generation error is gone. If the issue is still there, the next thing to check is your network connection. Token generation often depends on a stable connection, and even a small interruption can break the handshake process. Try toggling your Wi-Fi off and back on again, or switch to a different network if one is available. If you're using a VPN or proxy, disable it temporarily and test again, because those services can sometimes block authentication requests or make the server reject the token. It's also a smart idea to open the site in an incognito or private window. That helps bypass problematic extensions and gives you a cleaner session to test with. Another helpful step is to wait a few moments and try again if the service is under heavy load. Sometimes token generation fails because the server is temporarily busy or rate-limiting requests. If you're working inside a web app, log out completely, close the browser, reopen it, and sign in again. That fresh login can reset the session and force the system to issue a new token correctly. If you're still getting the same message, double-check your API credentials or account permissions if the tool you're using requires them. An expired key, invalid permission, or incomplete setup can also trigger this error. Make sure everything is entered correctly, saved properly, and still active. If the app has a developer console or authentication settings page, look for any warnings or error messages that could point to the exact cause. At this point, if the problem is stubborn, try a different browser altogether. Some browser extensions, cached certificates, or security settings can interfere with the token request. Chrome, Edge, and Firefox can behave slightly differently, so testing in another browser can quickly tell you whether the issue is browser-related. Also, disable any ad blockers, script blockers, or privacy extensions temporarily, because they can sometimes interrupt the authentication flow. So to recap, the best fixes are to refresh your session, clear cookies and site data, check your connection, disable VPN or proxy tools, test in an incognito window, and verify your credentials if applicable. In most cases, one of those steps will resolve the token generation failed error. If this video helped you, please like the video and subscribe to the channel for more practical troubleshooting tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.